Every dish you eat has a hidden story. Some were born by mistake, some traveled across the world. Welcome to Dishcovered.
In a Mughal royal kitchen, late at night, a cook reduces milk longer than intended. The koya becomes too dense, too dry. A mistake. To avoid waste and punishment, the cook kneads the ruined koya with flour. He rolls it into small balls, hoping to disguise the error. The balls are lowered into hot oil. They do not break. They rise, slowly turning dark and smooth. To soften the fried balls, they are dropped into warm rose-scented syrup. Instead of dissolving, they absorb sweetness and transform. The dish is served quietly. The court approves. The mistake becomes a masterpiece.
Like, share, and subscribe to Dishcovered.